What's up, folks? So we're in Coron, Palomar, Philippines, and we're at the Kawayan Grill Station, and I want to show y'all it a little taste. I am. This is where we at. We right here. Wait for low. Part of it is outside. You can see there's water coming down right here. Yeah, we about to eat. We about to eat.
Hey, look at this. They have a tamalok. The shrimp warm. They have a shrimp warm.
Take my food coming, baby.
Good. Ah, okay, Ate. Thank you.